Today's selection is Winnie Machine Punk on Grandma by the Angry Grandma. So, like, the link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. So, let's introduce selection 3, 2, 1.
And I ain't got the motherfucker yet. The lady pulls in like she's stopping in front of the house, pulls in front of the fucking mailboxes and sits there, and I know damn well she eat my hamburger. I'm pissed because I've sat there for
Randy.
over an hour. What?
They just delivered it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Cussed them the fuck out. I told her that lady eat it and every damn thing else. And then you come walking in here with it. Was it the same lady?
No.
All right. Long as it wasn't the fucking same lady. But fuck whoever brought this sure took their damn time about getting here with it. Over a fucking hour. Over an hour. And it better be plain with just tomato.
Well, Granny, I was talking to the guy, and he said it took so long because you didn't give the right address.
Oh, bullshit.
You didn't.
I did. Hour. Over an hour. And it better be plain with just tomato.
Well, Granny, I was talking to the guy, and he said it took so long because you didn't give the right address.
Oh, bullshit.
You didn't.
I did. I fucking stupid.
That looks good, Granny.
Oh, son of a bitch.
What?
Look at that.
That
I
looks
got a
good.
feeling, motherfucker. Son of a fucking bitch. Motherfucker.
What?
Call them and tell them. Can't you even smell them fucking onions and shit on it? Look at it. Just look at the motherfucker. They put tomatoes, all right. They put fucking tomatoes on it, but they put mayonnaise, mustard, and every damn thing else on it. When I said just tomatoes, that's exactly what I mean. Because I don't eat all that shit on my hamburgers. Yeah, who wants the baby shit and the horse shit and dog shit, whatever in the fuck they want to put on that motherfucker. I got the damn shit all over me. Motherfucking asshole. I'm gonna quit fucking ordering a fucking hamburger because they ain't got enough fucking motherfucking sense to take a fucking order. Son of a bitch. That means just tomato. It don't mean baby shit. It don't mean mayonnaise. It don't mean pickles, lettuce, and all that fucking shit that I can't stand on it.
Yeah.
They do that fucking shit to me all the motherfucking time. And stupid ass motherfucker. You see this? You see
I'll
this?
eat it, Granny.
Eat the motherfucker.
Gran!
Fuck it. That's what I feel like doing, is going in Burger King, put that damn thing back together, take it in there and cram some, and hit somebody right between the motherfucking eyes with it.
I could have ate that.
Well, get your ass down there and eat it. You should have said something before, you know. Motherfuck! I'm getting so tired of that fucking shit. What the fuck?
What's wrong?
You got a fucking vending machine?
Yeah?
And you got all the fucking
Puff
shit.
CCO.
You got my fucking cigarettes, my pop, my chips. Motherfucker, you got my phone. Where'd you get this damn thing out?
Got it on eBay.
eBay's asshole. Motherfucker, how the fuck am I supposed to get my shit out of here? How am I supposed to get it out? $1,000 for a pack of fucking cigarettes? Get it out. $1,000 For a pack of fucking cigarettes?
Well, I don't smoke. I didn't know how much to put on
You
there.
stupid ass, you know it ain't the $1,000 fucking dollars a pack. Son of a bitch, stupid ass. $5,000 for my fucking phone?
It's an iPhone.
I don't give a fuck what it is. I didn't even pay $5,000 for that motherfucker. Fuck that shit.
It already has your contacts in it, your photos, your messages. It's a good deal.
Oh, fucking what? Pay $5,000 for my own fucking phone? Bullshit. Everything went the fuck out. It's mother. Damn dollars. Fucking dollars. There goes my fucking cigarette. I guess I'll get them for a fucking dollar. Motherfucker. Cheat your ass out of $999. It won't take it. Won't take it, motherfucker. And I wanted them damn chips. See if this motherfucker goes just. What was it? Fuck! A 0. Son of a bitch, they're stuck. Where's my fucking change? The fuck, motherfucking stuck and I ain't gonna get them loose.
Granny, all sales are final.
All sales are final, my ass. I'll get them motherfuckers. There they go. They fucking moving. Damn motherfucker. Sit here. Got my pack of cigarettes. Got my chips. Now I gotta figure out a way how to get my fucking phone out of there without busting that motherfucker.
There was a vending machine prank on Grandma by the angry grandma. So the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out and drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one, and subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified when I upload. And bye.